Hey everyone, welcome back to the Limoneira YouTube channel. My name is Megan Roosevelt, and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, the founder of Healthy Grocery Girl, and spokesperson for Limoneira's Take a Healthy Stand campaign. Happy June! This month we celebrate grads and dads. Many students are graduating in the month of June after many years of dedicated hard work, and where would we be without our dads? So all month long, right here on the Limoneira YouTube channel, I will be sharing with you recipe ideas to celebrate the grads and the dads in your life. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how to make a really hearty breakfast sandwich. It's so delicious with a grapefruit OJ, which is so refreshing. This is the perfect Father's Day breakfast or brunch. It's really yummy, and here's how you make it. To make this breakfast sandwich, you will need a Limoneira Classic Lemon, avocado, sea salt, English muffin or bread of choice, egg, and a breakfast meat of choice. I'm using turkey bacon. To make the juice, you will need 1.5 Limoneira navel oranges, half of a grapefruit, and a sprig of fresh mint. Enjoy! Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Limoneira YouTube channel to never miss a video, and you can also follow Limoneira on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Don't forget to look for a sustainably grown Limoneira Citrus next time you head to the grocery store, and also to view or print today's recipe. There's a link below in the video description box. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!